Qingdao Oulimachine Company was located in beautiful west coast of Qingdao City, Shandong Province, China. Our company is specialized in rubber machinery production enterprise with R&D, design, production, sales and service. Ouli main products: rubber mixing equipment, kneader, bucket, mixing mill, bale cutter. Rubber calendaring machine, 2-roll, 3-roll, 4-roll calendaring line. Rubber vulcanizing machine, 4-column press, frame press, E-type press, tire and tube press, belt vulcanizing press. Rubber extruding equipment, hot feed extruder, cold feed extruder. Automatic and semi-automatic waste tire recycling equipment. Reclaimed rubber production line. The products have been exported to many countries and districts around the world, such as America, France, Canada, Australia, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. By the advanced quality and service, our products have gained the praise of domestic and foreign customers.